Did you do the batteries this time, Linda? 20 seconds. Uh-oh. You say about 18-second laps there?
That's not good. Oh, they get caught up. No, let's leave them. Just leave them.
Just leave them.
Yeah,
oh, now they're going to go inside. Now separate them.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good.
It's good?
Good, yep. Like half a boat length. I wanted to call it over, but...
You can have his back. Oh,
That's
Qatar's back.
Must have cleaned off the content.
I just put good battery. I think I put dead batteries in them.
Thanks a lot.
I didn't know they were dead.
1001, 1002. Don't just count next to the...
It takes me 2 seconds to even react.
He's got dinosaur-like reaction.
That's always fun in bumper-to-bumper traffic.
It's fun for the doctor because I'm on my way out and I stick it.
Yeah, exactly.
Look at that. Step the nose.
Lap 2?
Lap 2. Qatar, Ram.
I'm sitting here in the middle lane, cars next to me.
Bob Murphy, Lincoln Towing.
Doesn't have a little
Yeah,
Jam.
you don't have to worry about it.
You know, I was the one driving the trailer and the truck with brakes that would make the thing shake. I didn't hit anything.
Oh man, I was going to try to have a perfect day for the Ram.
Lap 3, Qatar.
You can't have it all. You can't have it all.
Oh, I might have to do a rudder adjustment.
Yeah.
So twist the rudder? Twist the rudder a little bit?
Yeah.
This is it.
Hey, you better go get it before the batteries get low.
Qatar first, 125.
That's alright.
Ram second. Bob Murphy third. Good run.